Hi, I'm Kyron Simmons from Just Fitness. This is a tutorial on Renegade rows, also known as plank rows. So a Renegade row, or also known as a plank row, is the combination of two movements, one being a plank and two being a row. So before you try this, my recommendation is you should be able to hold a good plank for more than 1 minute. How we set up for this? First things first, you're going to need a dumbbell or kettlebells or some form of weight that you can hold in both hands and maintain your plank. So in this case, I have my dumbbells. Set it, wrists, elbows and shoulders in a straight line, legs straight out. For this, you're going to open your legs a little wider than shoulder width. Abs engaged, hips engaged, nice and strong. So that's the plank. In order for us to do a row, you're going to engage the core, focus on that stability, and row on one side. You're going to work all your repetitions on that one side while maintaining stability throughout the body. As best as possible, you're going to try not to rotate as you row. Remember, watch my hips, my shoulders. Control movement. That's the name of the game. So the benefits of the Renegade row. It's a very functional movement. It allows you to work one side of the body at a time, and that's called unilateral work. So you're going to have the challenge of maintaining that plank while working on the row. As I said, it's very challenging, and my recommendation is to try it on your weaker side, and whatever you do on the weaker side, then you do on the stronger side. And what this does is it ensures that you don't develop yourself imbalanced. This movement is an upper body pull movement with the addition of some core stabilization. It works the muscles of the back, and you're going to get a bit of bicep work because you're going to be bending the elbows while you're pulling the weight. If you found this video helpful, hit me a like. Leave your comments in the section below to let me know what tutorials or demonstrations you'd like me to do next. And if you haven't already done it, subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I post new content. Thank you guys for watching this video.